GC Queens, welcome to another GC content. If you're new here, hi, my name is Estelle. Today I'll be creating an eyeshadow look for you guys. I don't know what to call this look, but yeah, as the spirit leads, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a huge thumbs up, and let's get into the video. I've gone ahead and sketched out my brows. We're just going to hop straight into this video. To prep my lid, I'll start with the P. Louise in Roman number 5. So using this concealer brush, I'm just going to blend it in. Just spread it out on my lid. I'm going to use this Black Radiance True Setting Powder to set my lid. So the palette I'm going to be using is from this Be Perfect Carnival palette, and I'm going to use the shade that is called Basic. The next shade I'll be going in shade right here is called Shuffle. Going back to another shade, I want to go into this shade right here. This shade here. I don't know what it's going to look like, but I'm going to apply it on my lid. I'm going to use this NYX eyeshadow base, and I'm going to apply very little here. I want that yellow to pop, you guys. It's not popping up. That way the yellow can pop. I'm going to gently pack it. To blend out the edges, I'm using this shade here, Shuffle. This is what I put on my lid, and this is the shade Shuffle. I'm using it to blend out the edges. So I'm going to use this Inglot gel liner in number 77. So I'm going to apply glitter on it. So you guys, you can leave it at this point, but I want to use glitter on it. You guys, I told you guys I want to be playing with Polo. So the lashes is done. We're going to go into the face. So for primer, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Jelly Primer. For foundation, I'll go into this Huda Stick Foundation in 500G. So for concealer, I'm going to use this two. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Modern Concealer, and this is in the shade 337 Almond, and this is 338 Honey. So I'm going to use both shades. Darker shade, I'm going to put it here. So if you're new here, this is like my go-to concealer. I love to use it. Is full coverage, full coverage. You can't go wrong with this concealer. Where's my eye turning red? And it does dry down fast, so I'm going to work with it in sections. For my contour, I'm going to use the Revolution Stick Foundation in F16. To set my concealer, I'm going to use the Beauty Bakery in Plantain. I'm going to use the Fenty powder to set my whole face. For my contour, I'm going to go into the Morphe Glam Bronze in the shade Dark. Using this XX Revolution blush in Jaded. I'm going to use that as my blush for today. Using this Revolution Pro Luster highlighter, and this is in rose gold. I'm going to use this blue eye pencil. I don't know where it's from, I can't remember. So I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Nubian eyeshadow, and I'm using the blue shade in that palette. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Legit lashes. Lips, I'm going to use the NYX Hot Cocoa, NYX Lip Pencil in Hot Cocoa. For my lipstick, I'm going to use this Beauty Bakery lipstick in Bastani. For the center of my lips, I'm going to add a little bit of concealer. I'm going to use this Revolution Extra Pump lip gloss. It's a clear lip gloss. To open up my eyes a little bit, I'm going to use this gold shade here. So I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. Hi my queens, we've come to the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful look I created. I did enjoy creating this makeup look for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Love you guys. Remain blessed, remain juicy. Until my next video. Bye guys.